Right now, the sentiment score in data science is at plus 0.36, which is a notable spike compared to its historical baseline. This positive sentiment, combined with a significant momentum drop of minus 0.45, suggests a divergence that you shouldn't overlook. With our Sentiment API, you get a detailed analysis that returns sentiment scores, momentum insights, and semantic clusters, 16 in this case, providing a nuanced understanding of the topic. Imagine you're building a sentiment-driven application. This spike could indicate an emerging trend worth exploring further. You could leverage this data to inform your next algorithm, or to adjust your content strategy in real time, capitalizing on shifts before they become mainstream. Ready to dive deeper? Check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs for more insights.